Step 1 Scroll Discover Task. Step 2 Open Tomorrow app. Step 3 Open unused app. You don't have any available task problem solution. Step 4 Download Activity Launcher from Google Play Store. Step 5 Open Activity Launcher Search Manage app. Click Manage app. Click Get app. Step 6 Install Get app update version 18.6.1. Me Get app download link in description. Step 7 Open task. Install and open selected app.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Shadab's Random Video, and thanks for watching.